Jack Dorsey is done with Twitter. Cronos heads to the stratosphere with its new milestone. Gala is putting some serious money down to invest in Gamefi. And this horrorverse token is screaming bloody murder in the markets today. This project puts a bow on Gamefi, metaverse, and finance. Cake is on fire, and Mobox is dishing out a huge giveaway that you don't want to miss. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie, and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. And if you want to take your investments to the next level and have access to our early research tips on the next 100x crypto, then you need to join Altcoin Buzz Access, our paid membership program that is now live. You can find the link in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's head over to the news. We have huge news coming from Twitter. Jack Dorsey has officially stepped down as its chief executive officer. Dorsey, a firm cryptocurrency advocate, made the announcement in a nonchalant tweet. Not sure if anyone has heard, but I resigned from Twitter. Dorsey has been around from Twitter's humble beginnings back in 2006 and led the company in multiple senior executive positions. Dorsey has also been instrumental in Twitter's latest advancements with Bitcoin tipping and the creation of a dedicated crypto team, all launched within the last few months. In his tweeted email statement, Dorsey says that his main reason for leaving is because he believes a company should be able to stand on its own, free of its founder's influence or direction. Chief Technology Officer Parag Agrawal steps in as Twitter's new CEO starting today, who Dorsey says was his first choice. In the meantime, Dorsey will run out the rest of his term on Twitter's board until May to help Agrawal and new board chair Brett Taylor transition into their new roles. And who knows, since Dorsey is so passionate about cryptocurrency, maybe he'll jump into that field next. What do you all think? I'd love to read your comments. Cronos crosses off another huge milestone for the blockchain. The Cronos chain has just passed $1 billion in total volume locked, all within 3 weeks of launching its beta mainnet. So far, Cronos has grown rapidly with 46 projects live and running on its mainnet beta, 130,000 unique addresses, and listing 5 protocols with over $50 million of total value locked in. Gala Games has been on the up and up over the last few weeks, and now they're giving back to the gaming community with a massive investment. While at the Go Gala Games Spider Tank World Cup in Seoul, South Korea this weekend, the Gamefi blockchain announced a deployment of $1 billion to fund gaming development in the country. Gala Games president of blockchain Jason Brink also shared the news on a Twitter thread, and he's even teasing a trip to Thailand in 2022 where he intends to connect with developers in that market, along with the launch of a highly anticipated Galaverse. That sounds exciting. Is that a metaverse project that you're looking forward to? Let me know in the comments. Have no fear. Fear tokens are here for a new all-time high. The newly launched Horrorverse token ballooned by 50 points in the last 24 hours and has been pumping like mad over the last 30 days by over 150%. Fear's newest all-time high stands at $3.88, way up from a 24-hour low of $2.40. The Fear ecosystem only launched on November 24th and has already onboarded existing games, expanded to multiple blockchains, and is well on their way to building a complete entertainment stack. This past week, new details have emerged about its latest play-to-earn game called The Crypt, as well as an upcoming land sale in its 3D Dungeons metaverse project. The gaming, metaverse, and finance worlds collide in the altered state machine, and now ASM is gearing up for its great unboxing for its all-star universe that allows users to create, train, and own their first ever non-fungible intelligence. The great unboxing includes 40,000 all-stars and 10,000 Genesis brains that users can use to create teams in the universe. December 1st is the big launch day, but head to the Altered State Machine website and Twitter page for the nitty-gritty before sinking your teeth into this flagship project. There's some cake on fire today. PancakeSwap has just burned about $88 million worth of cake tokens. That's over 6.2 million tokens. The DEX platform also bought back $5 million worth of cake tokens back from the market, and those movements have pumped the price of cake up by 10 points. And lastly, the Momoverse is finally here. Mobox's metaverse project is finally live and will be integrating into the Binance ecosystem and available on the Binance app. What's more is that there's a huge NFT giveaway to celebrate the occasion. How does $1 million worth of NFT mystery boxes sound for a celebration? The giveaway kicks off on November 30th, so head to the Mobox website so you don't miss out. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So, how do you feel about today's headlines? Is Jack Dorsey stepping down better or worse for the crypto community? And how do you feel about how the Cronos chain is growing? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to join Altcoin Buzz Access for early research tips on the next 100x crypto. Click on the link in the description to get your membership. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get regular notifications on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here's some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.